How is Honeywell shaping the future of aerospace, automation, and smart technologies? Honeywell is pioneering innovations across multiple industries. In this video, we will dive into the world of Honeywell International Inc., exploring its growth in the aerospace, automation, and building technology industries. First, we'll look at Honeywell's company overview, mission, and vision. Then, we'll discuss its financial performance, leadership, and growth potential. Next, we will explore Honeywell's commitment to sustainability, its flagship products, and its competitive position within its industries. Finally, we'll review the key concepts driving Honeywell's success and discuss whether it's a good stock to buy. Founded in 1906, Honeywell is a diversified global technology and manufacturing company. They lead in aerospace, building technologies, and industrial automation. Mission. Honeywell's mission is to create a world that's safer and more secure, sustainable, and productive. Vision. Honeywell's vision is to be the leading global technology innovator, offering integrated solutions across various industries. Honeywell's revenue for 2022 reached $36.7 billion, with a market cap of over $150 billion, driven by growth in aerospace, building technologies, and automation. Honeywell's leadership under Darius Adamczyk has focused on technology innovation and growth in diverse sectors, including aerospace and automation. Honeywell's strong position in aerospace and industrial automation positions it well for continued growth, especially in the emerging markets. Honeywell's sustainability efforts are focused on reducing carbon emissions and advancing green technologies like renewable energy and energy-efficient systems. Honeywell's key products include aerospace systems, smart building technologies, and industrial automation solutions that improve efficiency and sustainability. Honeywell is a global leader in aerospace, automation, and building technologies, competing with General Electric, Siemens, and 3M in various sectors. Honeywell is regarded as a leader in automation and aerospace technology, with strong customer loyalty due to its high-quality products. Investors view Honeywell as a stable, long-term investment with steady growth potential, backed by its diversified product portfolio. Honeywell is actively expanding its presence in emerging markets and new product categories, driving investor optimism. Honeywell faces risks related to the cyclical nature of aerospace and defense spending, as well as potential regulatory challenges. Geopolitical instability and supply chain issues could affect Honeywell's operations, particularly in global markets. Competition from other industrial giants like GE and Siemens could challenge Honeywell's market leadership. Honeywell's leadership in aerospace and automation is fueled by cutting-edge technology and a focus on energy efficiency. Honeywell's mission to innovate and integrate sustainable technologies is shaping the future of smart buildings and manufacturing. Honeywell's diverse portfolio across industries provides long-term growth potential and resilience in economic downturns. Want to stay ahead of the curve with Honeywell's groundbreaking technologies in aerospace, automation, and sustainability? Hit subscribe for more. Why should you consider investing in Honeywell? Weighing the risks and rewards, Honeywell is a strong leader in critical industries with promising long-term growth and sustainability.